Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a unique skincare device that promises to do more than just sit pretty on your vanity. It's the LightStim for Acne, a handheld LED red light therapy tool that's FDA-cleared to help reduce mild to moderate acne, soothe breakouts, and support your skin's return to a healthier state. It's a non-invasive tool that uses 36 blue and red LEDs at 415 and 630 nanometers, wavelengths clinically studied for their effect on acne and inflammation. So let's break down what this actually means. The blue light, 415 nanometer, targets and kills acne-causing bacteria beneath the skin's surface, while the red light, 630 nanometers, works deeper to reduce inflammation and promote healing. This dual-action approach is widely respected in dermatology, especially for people looking for a non-chemical treatment. The device comes in a wand-like form that's ergonomic and lightweight, about 14 ounces, making it comfortable to use daily. Now, using the LightStim in my routine was surprisingly easy. You just plug it in, place the light directly on your clean skin, and hold it there for about 3 minutes per treatment area. There's a built-in timer that lets you know when to move to the next section, which I really appreciated. No guesswork, no rushing. I tested this device over 4 weeks, using it consistently each night as part of my evening skincare routine, right after cleansing and before applying any serums or moisturizers. In terms of results, I did notice a difference. Some smaller whiteheads cleared up faster than usual, and I had fewer inflammatory breakouts along my chin and cheeks, which are typically my problem areas. That said, this isn't an overnight miracle. It takes patience and regular use to see visible changes. For active, angry breakouts, it had a noticeably calming effect within 2 or 3 sessions, which is impressive for a non-invasive device. Let's talk about what worked well and what didn't. The pros? First, the technology is solid. LED therapy is backed by dermatological research, and this device is FDA-cleared, which gives me confidence in its safety. It's also easy to use and feels soothing on the skin. And because it's non-drying, it's a good option if your skin doesn't tolerate traditional spot treatments well. On the flip side, it's a time commitment. You're looking at 15 to 20 minutes a session if you're treating multiple areas. Also, this isn't a device for someone with cystic or severe acne. It's clearly positioned for mild to moderate cases. Lastly, it's not cordless, which would have made usage a bit more flexible. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now let's chat value. At its price point, the LightStim for Acne does feel like an investment. But when you weigh that against multiple dermatologist visits or the long-term cost of topical treatments, it starts to make more sense. The key is that you're getting a medical-grade approach at home, and that technology isn't cheap to manufacture. However, if you're tight on budget, there are more affordable LED masks and handhelds on the market, though many don't offer the same number of LEDs or FDA clearance, so you're trading cost for performance and safety validation. Comparing it to similar at-home LED acne devices, LightStim holds up well. It has more LED coverage than most drugstore-level devices and doesn't rely on gimmicky features. While there are full-face LED masks, those tend to be bulkier and not as targeted, so it depends on whether you prefer precision or convenience. Build quality is excellent. The plastic casing feels durable, the cord is long enough for comfortable use, and the brand offers a solid warranty. While I haven't used it long enough to speak to its 5-year lifespan based on initial construction and brand reputation, I expect this device to last if handled with care. As for customer service, I haven't had a direct issue that required help, but LightStim has a strong reputation in the beauty tech space for responsive support and honoring warranties. That gives peace of mind, especially with higher-end devices like this. So who is this for? If you're someone with mild to moderate acne, who's tried everything from benzoyl peroxide to salicylic acid, and you want a gentler, non-invasive option, this is worth a try. It's also great for those looking to reduce inflammation and help their skin bounce back after breakouts, especially if you're sensitive to harsher ingredients. But if your acne is severe or cystic, you'll want to consult a dermatologist. This device isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase LightStim for Acne in the description or comments below. And if you've used this device, drop a comment. Did it work for you? Did you notice clearer skin or faster healing? I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.